Welcome back, children, once again. This time we are going to see Chapter 6 Formatting in MS PowerPoint, Part 2. Today we will be discussing three different contents. They are text effect, alignment, and changing case. Let's first discuss about text effect. To differentiate between text or to highlight some text, effects can be applied. That is, if you want to differentiate, if you want to see the difference between the heading of a paragraph and the content of the paragraph, you need to make the heading a little more bigger and a little more different from the paragraph, right? For example, look at this page. Text effect is the heading in this page, and writing part is slightly different from that. I have made it a little more darker. These effects include bold, italic, and underline. The text effect heading here is bolded. Bolded means made darker. So you can either bold the text or make it italics. Italics means make the text in a slanted way. And underline. Underline, I think you know. Drawing a line under the given text. Now the first thing is how to make the text bold. How do you make the text bold like the heading here? You have to first select the text. First step is you have to select the text that you want. Make sure that the home tab is selected. You have to click on the home tab. From the font group, click on the bold B icon. You have to look for the bold B icon. Bold is not written there. You have to look for the B icon there. But when you click on it, the selected text becomes bolded. If you want to highlight a particular word, you have to first select the word, go to Home tab. In the Home tab, you have to look for the capital B option and click on it. The selected text becomes bold. Next is how to make the text italic. Italic means, can you see on the side? An I slanted format. This is the symbol for that. You have to do the same process. You have to first select the text. Make sure that the home tab is selected. You have to again go to the home tab. In the font group, click the italics I icon. You have to look for an I icon like this and click on it. So what happens? The selected text becomes italic. The next one is how to underline a given text. I think you know how to underline because you have been doing it in your notebooks too. So if you want a line under a particular word, then you have to use this option. You have to first select the text. Make sure that the home tab is selected. You have to look for the home tab again. From the font group, click the underline U icon. Look for the icon here. Can you see my cursor moving? The U with a line underneath it. It is the underline icon. You have to click on it. So when you click on it, the text that you have selected has a line under it. The next thing that we have to study is alignment. PowerPoint allows you to position the selected text with respect to the right or left margin. There are different types of alignments available in PowerPoint. That is, you have typed something on a PowerPoint slide, you can align it either to the left side or to the right side, or you can select a particular part of the text and even put it in the center. So that is called alignment. Either moving it to the left or right or placing it in the center is the alignment. Let's go through the different options for alignment. There are 4 alignment options. They are align text left, center, align text right, and justify. They are align text left. That is, you have to get all the text to the left side, then you have to go for that option. Center, you want the text in the middle, then you have to go for the center option. Align text right. If you want to start from the right side, then you have to take that option. Then the last one will be confusing for you. It is called justify. I'll give the explanation in the further slide. To make the text align left. What do you do to make all the text align to the left? What do you do is you have to first select the text. For doing all these things, you have to first select the text. Make sure that the home tab is selected. Now also you have to click on the home tab. From the paragraph group, click on the Align Text Left icon. Then you have to look for the paragraph group. In that, you have to click on the Align Text Left icon. The selected text becomes left aligned. When you click on it, the text will be automatically aligned to the left for you. I will make a demo video on this to make you understand the concept. Now, how to make the text align center? The next option was center, right? Same thing. You have to select the text. Make sure that the home tab is selected. You have to look for the home tab again. Then from the paragraph group, like before, in this time you are going to click on the center icon. You are going to click on the center icon. The selected text becomes center aligned. To make the text align right, how do you make it align to the right side? Same process. You have to select the text, go to the home tab, then look in the paragraph group, click on the Align Text Right icon. You have to look for the Align Text Right icon. When you click on it, the selected text becomes right aligned. To make the text align justified, how do you make the text alignment justified? You have to first select the text. Make sure that the home tab is selected. You have to click on the home tab again. From the paragraph group, click on the justify icon. The selected text becomes justified. Justified means, like you look at these blue lines, can you see that the starting point of the blue line and the ending of the blue line is same? That is, you are aligning the text in such a way that all lines are placed equally. Then it is called a justified alignment. The next thing that we have to learn is changing case. The capitalization of the selected text can also be changed. That is, you can write in small case or big case. You can write in small alphabets or big alphabets while you are typing in PowerPoint. And at some point you feel that you need only the first letter to be capital, then that is also possible. You want to convert all the small alphabets to uppercase alphabet, then that is also possible. So there are different options available in changing case. The change case feature gives you 5 options. There are 5 different options in changing case. They are sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word, and toggle case. There are 5 different options in changing case. They are sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word, and toggle case. What these are will be explained in the next slide. Now let's discuss the different options in change case. The first option is sentence case. This option will capitalize the first letter of the first word in the selected text. You have to first select the text that you want to change the case. Once you have selected that, when you go for the sentence case option, it will capitalize the first letter of the first word. Next one is lower case. This option will change all the letters in the selected text to the small case. That is, if you have a few capital letters and small alphabets in the sentence that you have selected, if you go for the lower case option, all will be converted into the lower case alphabet. Uppercase. This option will capitalize all the letters in the selected text. That is, if you're having capital letters as well as small letters in your sentence selected, when you click on the uppercase option, all the selected words will be converted into uppercase words. Capitalize each word. Look at the capitalize each word heading. Can you see the capitalize? C is capital, E is capital, and W is capital. Just like that. If you're selecting this option for changing the case, in all the words, the first alphabet will be a capital letter. The next one is toggle case. Can you look at the toggle case written here? T is small case and C is also small case, and all the others are capitals, right? This option will change the first letter of all the words in the selected text to small case and capitalize the remaining letters. So this option will always convert the first alphabet of the word. Look here, in toggle, the T is converted into small case and C is also converted into small case, but all the other alphabets is in capital letters or in upper case. For such an option, we go for the toggle case. To change the case, the first thing that you have to do is select the text that you want to work on. On the Home tab, from the font group, click the down arrow to open the Change Case drop-down list. From the font group, you have to look for the Change Case drop-down list. Select the required case. From that, you have to select the case that you want. The case of the selected text changes. When you click on it, the case of the letters will change. With this, we come to the end of today's session. Please go through these contents and understand the concept. Thank you.